Guys, hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. Ted Keys, your host and top freight agent training expert here in Southern California. And if you have any questions today after the call, any questions regardless of what it is, or more importantly, are you ready for my top producing one-on-one personal freight sales, freight broker training? Yes, then give me a call. Ted Keys, I'm at 626-309-9141. Point number 4 that you have to do to become dominant in a particular market is you have to succeed, all right? If you're not succeeding, it's because you're not acting. If you're not acting, it's because you haven't committed, okay? And if you haven't committed, it's because you haven't decided. So in order to become successful, you actually have to succeed, because I guarantee you that you keep making call after call after call, okay? And you start and you continue to ask the correct questions. Do the right research on these folks. They will give you the opportunity to move their freight. Now, will they do it after a week? High probability they won't. Will they do it after 2 weeks? Don't know. I don't know your talents. I don't know your commitment, okay? I don't know what type of actions you're taking. Will they start giving you the opportunity after 3 weeks, 4 weeks? I don't know. But one thing I do know, and one statistic that you have to have on your wall is, I keep repeating this, 80% of your 80% of your sales will come between your 5th and your 12th contact. So think about it. If you're making a follow-up call once a week, all right? Think about it. 80% of your sales come between your 5th and your 12th contact. All right, now you can call folks more than one time a week, but one is standard. Do you want to call them more than that? I don't know. It depends on the industry and the market and the type of company that you're calling, all right? But if you're, just on average, you're making one follow-up call a week, well, 80% between your 5th and your 12th contact, what does that tell you? You're going to start getting the opportunity after 2, 3, 4 weeks, all right? Now, 80%, hey, 5% may come after 3, 10% may come after 4, all right? The thing is, you keep on calling, all right? When you keep calling, when you keep taking action, you will start succeeding. Unfortunately, most individuals, they quit after 2, 3, 4 weeks. They quit before they've even gotten going. Again, any questions after the call today? Any questions regardless of what it is, or are you ready for my top producing freight sales one-on-one training? Then give me, Ted Keys, a call. I'm at 626-309-9141. Thanks for joining my Tuesday conference call today. I'll see you all again next week, same time, 2 p.m. Pacific time, 5 p.m. Eastern time on my Tuesday conference call. Take care, God bless. I'll see you all again next week. Bye-bye.